These serene hills and valley are located in the Chaunsar Bawa region of the lower Himalayas in Uttarakhand. The valley you are currently seeing right now is 70-kilometer drive from Dehradun, known as Viraatkhai in Chakrata. A perfect combination of serene view and adventure spots in the countryside. Getting lost in the misty atmosphere of the area is a pure joy for the soul, running and running endlessly. Walking into the woods, following the trails leading to untouched locations. Smelling the natural aura and breathing the fresh air is like a drug to the lungs. Staying in the outhouses of such a remote region and enjoying the local cuisine is just intoxicating. The lush green meadows and the long pine trees is a bliss to the eye. Setting up our sack line, learning the art of balance in the middle of the forest is surely an adventure seeker's dream. Balancing our body on the rope might look very easy, but it is surely a task full of concentration, falls, and fun. Running and hiking on these less trodden trails leading to beautiful campsites far away from the city rush. I was able to witness large variety of flora like strange looking mushrooms, plants and flowers. There were high camping grounds and meditation spots in the midst of the jungle. climbing never before touched rock faces, passes an entire day in an nictate. With every sunset, we call it a day and start planning for new tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching my video, and my journey was made possible by Traveloft India, which is a Himalayan based travel and adventure company. You can also check out their Insta handle, that is at @Traveloft India, for amazing content and to get tuned to their upcoming treks, adventure activities and village tours. I will put their Instagram handle link below in the description. Be sure to check it out. Hope to see you in the next video.